Hi everyone, it's Rube from the King's Roost, and I'm here with another installment of How to Manage Your Wild Yeast Starter. Today's question is, what do I do if my starter has separated and turned gray? Can you still use it? Well, the short answer is yes, absolutely. When your starter separates like this, it's perfectly harmless. The layer of liquid that forms on top is called hooch. It's got a little bit of alcohol in it, and all it means is it's time to feed your starter. When in doubt about the safety of your starter, let your nose be your guide. A rotten starter really smells terrible. It smells like rotting food. It's disgusting. If it smells chemically or like paint thinner, this one smells like a can of paint, then it should be just fine. So let's feed this starter, wait a couple hours, and see what happens. Since I've got about 100 grams of starter here, I'm gonna put in 100 grams of flour and 100 grams of water. Although I'm gonna go a little easy on the water because clearly there's a little bit too much in here already. First up, I'm gonna mill some flour. Now that the flour is milled, I'm ready to add my ingredients in. I'm gonna start with the water. And I'm gonna stir it in. I'm gonna put in the flour. You'll note that I did not pour off the hooch. You certainly can if you want to, but I just stirred it right in. And then I'm gonna close it up. And I put the rubber band to mark its level so that I can see if it develops. I would say it has more than doubled, and it has only been 1 hour and 55 minutes. It is, if anything, helpful having a little bit of hooch in there. So look at that. What an amazing result. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, pop them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.